Wala. Wala. Wala.
There you have it! Congratulations, Team Messiah! Congratulations! Natakot ang lahat ng sigawan ngayon naman. Let's hear it from the stars and the director of Rosario. Miss Bernadette.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much. Congratulations sa mga friends and family dito. And also please, spread our movie Rosario at sana matawag po natin sila. Thank you so much. Everyone, thank you all po for coming. Sana na-enjoy niyo po sa nangyayari po kayo. Gusto mo lang ba itong ikaw na magiging sa result part 2. And maraming salamat po, friends, family, thank you so much for coming. Sana po na-enjoy na agad.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Nakakatuwa po na marinig yung bawat reaction mo. So sana po, katulungan niyo rin kami to spread the word po. Like, I hope you can make a review, an honest review, like feedback about our movie, and please share it to your social media, and please encourage everyone to watch Rosario in cinemas. This August 5 po, maraming salamat po.
Salamat po sa panonood. Nandito rin po yung mga broad staff namin. Salamat at ako pa kayo. Thanks sa support. Viva Films, Viva Arts Agency. Salamat po sa inyo. At sana nga po patuloy niyo po sa pagkakaan ng Rosario. Salamat po.
First of all, congrats everyone. Sa tingin ko talaga kung hindi pinatigil yung buhay. Diba? Again, thank you so much sa lahat ng pumunta. Sana po talaga i-share niyo po after niyo na panood. At sana nagustuhan niyo din po talaga si Rosario. Na-enjoy po. Sana nakakot kayo ulit ko sa akin.
I love you. Sana kakabang nandito eh. I hope you enjoyed it. Please invite your friends and thank you again to the films. Congratulations. All the cast. Congratulations. I love you very much.
There you have it once again. Let's give a big round of applause to Rosario. And congratulations to all the cast. Congrats once again. We have Saroli in the session. Miss Suzette, Danilo, Miss Bernadette, Allison. We also have Rose, Meg Jacob, Meg Imperial, Giles
talaga. Na-dance ka dahil sa kanya. Oo, sinisilo mo yun, ha?
Congrats, Joy!
Congrats
na na! Ang galing mo! Congrats, guys!
Ang galing-galing.
Oh!
Aubrey, ang galing.
Congrats! Aubrey, congrats! Salamat po! Thank you po!
And show your support by posting all your photos and videos of our event today on your socials, including our visual hashtags, #Rosario and #Rosario. By the way, this film Rosario is rated R13 by the NCRCB. That means 13 years old and above po ang pwede manood. Kaya naman, simulang August 5, sabay-sabay nating suportan man ang panoorin at sabihin tayo ng takot sa sinihan. Sabay-sabay sa August 5 yan, Wednesday sa Lawang na lang. And this time, while they are going up to their seats, here is the OMB warning. The critical and commercial success of recent local movies clearly indicates that Filipino moviegoers embrace not only high-budget movies but also independent films with unique stories to be told. However, in order for such films to continue to be made, the intellectual property and all attached rights of the filmmakers have to be respected. This is a reminder to the public that making any copies of the movie Rosario is a violation of the Public Act No. 10088 and the California Act of 2010 and is punishable by imprisonment and imposition of fines. Further, creation and sharing of illegal and unauthorized links to the movie constitute acts violating the Public Act No. 1893 Intellectual Property Code and is likewise punishable by the imposition of fines and imprisonment. The producers of Rosario shall exercise all its rights and available remedies to pursue criminal liabilities against any pirates. The producers shall also ensure that these pirates shall be punished to the full extent of the law. The cooperation of the public is sought to report any unauthorized and illegal links to legal@viva.com.ph. Once again, in short po, please silent phone and don't take photos.